It's your girl Siri here, back with yet another video. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And now we're not in at the bag of long talking, so let's get into this video.
We're not in at the bag of long talking.
It's done music.
So in this video we have a special guest. Well, she's not a special guest, she come on here already, so she really not a special guest, but we have someone who will be joining with me to tell his story. And I was really hesitant on telling this story, but she pushed me, so I'm going to tell the story and she's gonna help me out. Okay, so come gal, come. So guys, we have my sister here today and we're a bit bougie. So like down into the story time, you'll get the gist of why we have this. Okay, so tell them what's in your cup.
I'm drinking Roscato
And I'm
red wine.
I'm drinking seltzer with a mix of ginger ale.
So, once upon a time
in 2020 during quarantine, it was my birthday and I decided, you know, I want a little celebration because it was my 21st and, you know, legal age for drink and everything. So I decided to have a Zoom party with my friends and, you know, dress up and everything. So I dress up and, you know, one of my, we would say it's a family friend, his name is Carlos. He gifted me with a bottle of Hypnotic for my birthday, right? So we're playing games. I got some games like what was the game name?
Buzzed.
I think it's somewhere about, but the game is called Buzz. So every time like you do something, you drink. So we're there with my friends. My friends were like Shari and Nashima, and Ravana, and yeah.
And Chrisan was there.
Oh yeah, Chrisan was there. My sister Chrisan was there, and Sharice was there. So we play music. It was just a vibe. So with the game now, every time you do something, you drink. So I took it upon myself that even if I didn't do it, I drink. Cause the hypnotic, like it didn't taste like no regular liquor. Like it never harsh. It just go down smoothly and nice.
It's a creeper.
So I kept on drinking and like I loosening up, like, you know, I feeling the vibes and everything. I'm going. Why? So it get down now into the middle of the night and everything, it just going smoothly, everything going, but I think I black out. I don't remember what happened.
So anyways, let me continue. So it was a case where she got intoxicated, like
yeah,
she
finished
said,
the bottle.
Yeah, the bottle was finished,
and the bottle was,
it was
the big,
you know, Hypnotic, you know,
I'll
it's
probably
a big
insert
bottle.
a picture of it. But
So she finished the bottle on her own. I did not help her, and so she's there and she enjoying herself. But I'm like, we're home and it's her birthday, so I didn't take anything to it until
all the dance guys. I insert some clips, but
until I saw her went this way, and when she got up, like her wig was off and her wig came off completely, and then like she put her head, like, you know, when you're feeling sick you put your head like this, and like, you know, when you make that throw up sound. So I was like, Serenity, hold on, because one thing with my mother, she loved household things, and her carpet, oh my goodness, I did not want her to vomit on the carpet. So anyways, I tell her to hold on. You see, by the time I could say hold on and I went to get a bucket or something, I only hear like all over my mother carpet, you know. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So anyways, I got her like, you know, a little pan to vomit in, but some of it got caught on the carpet and whatever. So the way I should have vomited and go on now, me catch my period. So my mom was asleep, so I went and woke her up, and she just come out here and she started cussing.
I want to be a snare. Deal with everybody different. Everybody. Foolishness.
You know, with Jamaican parents, they start quarreling. She said, Sharice, I can't believe you have her out here drinking and this and then I'm telling you guys, like, I was laughing, but I was kind of scared because she started vomiting. Like when she vomiting, like you could see like blood. So you know that you really reached to a level where you liquor really do something to her. So my mommy was there and she quarreling, and then she vomit some more and some more and some more. And then my mom took her into the bathroom.
And like at this point, like everything that she's saying that happened, I black out. Like I don't remember none of that.
Girl drum.
Don't remember none.
Girl,
of
well
that.
intoxicated.
I know, like in between, I couldn't remember mommy cussing, and I couldn't remember like them trying to get me up off the ground because I heard that I was like a dead weight.
Yup. She was so heavy, like. I'm like, no, sir. So anyway, my mom took her, we were able to take her into the bathroom, and my mom turned on the shower and she was like, shh. Just give me a minute. Shh. Cause my mother cussing up, cause my mother don't care. My mother upset. Cause my mother was like, you know, you should have known. But my mom was really grateful that it was home. It took place and not like on the street where, you know, somebody could have taken advantage of her or whatever the case is. But I don't think she would have went that far if you went out. Honestly. But my mom was thankful for that it was home. Mm-hmm. All of that took place. And
like I was in the shower. So at this point I can't tell you because I kind of in and out. So I was in the shower and he's like, I talking to God and I said, please, you know, like I don't want to go through this, like I'm sorry, and like I having a full-blown conversation with God and everything, and I talking to myself and I said, what did I do? And like I got so scared. I don't know if it was scared or it was, I don't know what came over me, but like I wanted to burp or I wanted to throw up more, but instead of throwing up, I farted. When I farted, when I farted, it wasn't fart, it was actually me shitting myself. So that's how bad it was.
Yep.
It was awful. And what happened after that? I think I felt a little bit better after that.
And this was like the Saturday night, like maybe 12 after 12. Let it put it that way. So then you see the Sunday whole day she sleep.
My stomach was so sore. Like it felt like somebody was literally taking a dagger and stabbing me in my stomach, and I kept on throwing up, and it's like nothing never in me. Hold on. Alright, so it's like my stomach be really sore and I was throwing up and everything, and I didn't have anything in my system really, so I kept on throwing up water, and like even the Monday after that, like my stomach is still sore.
She couldn't go to work.
I couldn't go to work. Like
It was an experience.
It was. I wouldn't recommend anyone to do that, and because of that, like whenever I go out now, like hard liquor, like for example Hennessy, I can't drink Hennessy. I can't drink.
It's not
them.
that she cannot drink it. She
It
don't
just-
wish to drink it because of the feeling that she
No,
got.
not only that, but because like if I smell it, it give that traumatized.
But that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
it's not that you cannot drink it, but you choose not to drink it because you don't want to go back down that road.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she
And-
learned her
and-
lesson.
That's why I drink in my liquor seltzer and my ginger ale.
Yeah, stick to it, you know, yeah, sis.
And that not happen again. That not happen again. Guys, I have to go insert the clips and everything and show you because it was horrible. Like at one point, I know that the last thing I remember, even on the Zoom call, I don't know how the Zoom call ended.
I end the Zoom call.
You ended it?
Yes, I did.
But I know that the last thing I remember was Ravana mommy coming on, and I was telling Ravana mommy like, oh, I really love Rav or some, and I'm confessing how much I love my friends, you know.
Understand me, love you. I love you too, friend. I really appreciate you, man.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
Oh my, like it was too much. It was a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some clips
So you can
and
see
so
what we're
you guys
talking
can
about.
see the experience.
Yes,
and
because it was
everything.
epic.
It was
Yeah.
awful. So anytime you have some people who say, oh, why you don't drink? Like the other day somebody came and they were like, why you don't drink again? And I was like, just wait for the story time on my channel. Just wait for the story time.
So this is
it. Okay guys, so yeah, if you hear me say I don't drink, this is the reason why I don't drink no more. And like to be honest, I drink like rosé, like the what,
Moscato.
the Moscato. That's just about it, and I don't even go full. Like I'll drink like one glass when I go out, and that's it. But guys, that's the end of my story time, and my recommendation is do not do that ever. Do not drink like that ever. Holy liquor, like have a 1 cup and know your limits. Know your limits, basically. So thank you guys for tuning in. This was a little short story time, but I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and
Subscribe.
bye.
Bye.